Today I'll show how we build the MQ-9 Reaper drone from carbon fiber, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe.
We are clear on section 3.
Confirmed. Logging the sign-off now.
Check the torque on connection point C.
Connection point C is secured to specifications.
All right, team, easy now. Spike alignment confirmed. Lock it down. Pylon 4 secure. Roger that.
Reaper is fully armed, awaiting launch orders. Confirming new flight path parameters.
Acknowledged. Slewing T-pod to target area now.
Copy. Tracking moving target at grid reference Charlie-Foxtrot-22. Stand by for engagement parameters. Throttle engaged. Connection verified, Reaper 1.
And that is the extreme precision, satellite technology, and firepower it takes to build the ultimate unmanned predator. Thanks for taking this mega factory tour with us.
If you were amazed by how this high-tech flying robot is made, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now for more incredible factory tours.